In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a mail merge in Streak CRM. When people say delete in Streak, what you're really doing is pausing the mail merge so nothing else sends, and then archiving it so it's removed from your active list but kept for reference. This approach gives you a clean workspace without losing the history you might need later. Start in Gmail with Streak visible in the sidebar on the left. From there, open the Mail Merges page. This is where you'll find every merge you've set up, including active campaigns and anything that's been scheduled. Take a moment to make sure you're looking at the correct mail merge, especially if you have several with similar names or audiences. Open the mail merge you want to stop. Before you archive, it's important to pause it. Look to the top right corner and click the pause button. Pausing immediately stops any remaining emails in the sequence from being sent, including scheduled follow-ups. It also prevents new recipients from being added or triggered. Think of this as pulling the plug so that nothing else goes out while you tidy things up. With the merge now paused, return to that same paused mail merge view to complete the cleanup. In the top right corner, click Archive. Archiving removes the mail merge from your active list so it won't clutter your dashboard or reports going forward. At the same time, Streak preserves the entire merge in your history. That means you can still review performance, see who received what, and reference the content later without risking accidental sends. This two-step process, pause, then archive, gives you full control. Pausing protects your audience from unintended messages, and archiving keeps your workspace organized while retaining a complete record. It's especially helpful if a campaign has run its course, if messaging needs to be reworked, or if timing is no longer right. To recap the flow in one place, go to the Mail Merges page in the Streak sidebar, open the specific mail merge, click Pause in the top right to stop everything, then return to that paused merge and click Archive in the top right to remove it from your active list. After that, the merge won't appear among active campaigns, but it will still be available in your Streak history whenever you need to reference it. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully deleted a mail merge in Streak by pausing and archiving it, clean, controlled, and reversible in your records.